Hi, welcome to our update on the 2024 Department of Labor Overtime and Salary Changes. I'm Vicki Stalnaker, shareholder of JRBT and Director of Operations for Payroll Systems, a division of JRBT. This presentation is for general guidance only. It is not legal, payroll, tax, or HR advice. Please consult with your advisors in regard to your particular situation. So a new overtime exemption rule was issued on April 23rd, 2024 by the Department of Labor. And this is governing exempt versus non-exempt employees, where you have to pay overtime pay. The current rule was issued in 2019, effective in January 2020. The standard salary level was $684 per week, or $35,568 annualized. Highly compensated employees must have been paid $107,432 annually. Bonuses, incentives, and commissions may be part of the standard salary level with certain restrictions, and this applies until June 30th, 2024. Now, the new rule that was issued, the new salary amounts will have two adjustment periods and then will be adjusted going forward. The first adjustment occurs on July 1st, 2024. 6 months later, another adjustment on January 1st, 2025. On July 1st, 2027 will be once it starts to be adjusted every 3 years. So what stayed the same? The jobs, duties, and earnings test, the salary level test, the salary basis test, and the duties test. On the exemptions, the executive, administrative, and professional, as well as outside sales, computer, and highly compensated employees stayed the same. For non-discretionary bonus, incentives, and commissions, they are still allowed to be up to 10% of the standard salary level, paid annually, and also has the catch-up provision. Special salary levels for U.S. territories and special base rate for motion picture industries, as well as computer employees paid on an hourly basis, did not change. So changes effective on July 1st, 2024. The standard salary level test will increase to $844 per week, which is the equivalent to $43,888 annualized. The highly compensated employees will increase to $132,964 per year. Now, 6 months later, on January 1st, 2025, the standard salary level test will increase to $1,128 per week, which is $58,656 annualized. Your highly compensated employees will also have another increase up to $151,164 per year. Now, on July 1st, 2027, and then every 3 years afterward, the Department of Labor will adjust the salary amounts based on available data using the methods in place at the time of the updates. Now, all of these changes are pending any other proposed rule changes, because typically, whenever these rules are issued, they are sometimes challenged in court, so we may have some upcoming changes. So stay tuned for updates. So estimated impacts. The Department of Labor estimates that on July 1st, 1 million employees will be impacted. 6 months later, in January, 3 million employees will be impacted by the next salary increase. For highly compensated employees, almost 300,000 employees will be impacted. Now, there are costs associated with this for employers. The estimated direct employer cost will be $803 million annually in the first 10 years with a 7% discount rate. The employees will have higher earnings as well, which is a transfer of income from employers to the employees. It's estimated to be $1.5 billion annually with a 7% discount rate. So where can you find additional information? The Department of Labor has several resources available. The first is a link to the final rule information, as well as a comprehensive chart for the executive, administrative, and professional exemptions, also called the white-collar exemptions. The Small Entity Compliance Guide is a great resource for employers to read through and see how these exemptions apply to their employees. And you can also review the Department of Labor facts that they have available. Thank you for joining us today, and please sign up for our newsletters by going to our website, and stay tuned for any additional updates if there are changes to the rules. Thank you.